Hi guys, let's see how to create a smooth slow motion effect in Davinci Resolve. So let's say there is a clip which we have split and we want to change it to slow motion. So right click on it and click on change clip speed. And now you can change it to, let's say 50%, okay, or whatever you want to change it. Make sure ripple timeline is selected so that when it changes the speed, it increases its length, it pushes the other clips around like this. Now, since you have slowed down the video, and when you look at the video, it feels a little bit choppy and not so smooth. So to make it smooth, there is a hidden tool in Davinci Resolve. So what you have to do, you have to just select that particular slowed down clip and then click on inspector, scroll down and find retime and scaling, click on it. And in the retime process, just click on this and few options will appear. Just click on optical flow. And now when you will see the clip again, then you will see that it is very smooth. Okay. So that's it guys. Please do like the video to support us and thanks for watching The Geek.